Hello everyone. Firstly, thank you for showing interest in this offline mentorship at office called the Traders Blueprint. And those who are watching me for the first time, I am sorry today. I've trading since last 11 years. In fact, I've trained some of the largest trading desks of the country. I regularly come on CNBC, ET Now, Money Control. Plus, I have given sessions at IIT Bombay, IIT Delhi, IIM Bangalore. So this is me on CNBC. In fact, I won the CNBC Khiladi number one show. This is a large prop trading desk in Mumbai. I went to the desk and personally trained all the traders, IIT Bombay, IIM Bangalore. So, firstly, why this mentorship exists, right? What is the need of doing this mentorship? So, before coming to that, okay, there was a discussion between Richard Dennis and his friend कि क्या trading सिखाई जा सकती है? Can trading be taught or is it a gifted skill? So then what Richard Dennis did is he trained total beginners, which means they did not know anything about the markets. He gave them clear entry rules, clear exit rules, and clear risk management rules. And just by following these two rules, can you guess what happened? These traders made 10 plus $1 million in their lifetime. Okay, this is documented. You can search Turtle Trading Group online and you'll find this. So they did not have any knowledge, and just by following simple rules, they could make money. Okay. So with this concept, basically, I understood that if you have proper systems, like you don't, it cannot be कि हाँ आज अच्छा लग रहा है तो ये लूंगा, आज बुरा लग रहा है तो ये बेचूंगा, नहीं. It has to be systematic, and it has to be rule based, and it has to be like there has to be a risk management, solid risk management. So I started a co-working space in 2020. Okay, this is what it looks like. Current office is much different. Okay, so in this co-working space, basically traders used to come. I used to uh, like basically during market hours train them what to do, what not to do. And this is Pratmesh Pai. In fact, he currently works in our office full time, managing a very decent size. So this was his first message in 2020. That time he made around 6,000 rupees profit. Okay, yesterday was decent too with a profit of 6K. Then he slowly scaled up. You can see the profit 24,000, 20,000, right? And in August 2023, he made a first seven-figure profit. Okay, and he sent a thank you message. This is the first time I made such a big profit. And now he trades on a decent multi-crore account in the office. And once you come to office, you will be able to see that we log in and show you all these PNL so that you understand that if followed with proper rules. In fact, he's a lawyer by profession, but yes, over the years he's built the mindset, everything fell into place. So this is what I want to achieve, and I still know that if I train 100, not everyone will have the mindset to scale up to become a trader. So as they say, you can teach trading, but you can't teach someone to be a trader, because trading is not only about strategies, risk management, mindset building. So that's why we are also very like we'll also have a qualification criteria on who can join this, because in our office we have limited seats, around 10 to 12 seats. So we are also very selective and who will basically uh, can join. So on the call, if you are a good fit, team will let you know the further process. If not, basically you can continue whatever you're doing, and we'll share you some free learning resources. But and what is different in this mentorship? See, my focus is कि practical चीजें सिखाऊं. What I have actually used, what I actually use, वो सब आपको सिखाऊंगा. So this system I'm using since last 11 years. And see, once you come to office, you set an aspiration. See, आप जैसे लोगों के साथ बैठते हो वैसी आपकी aspiration बनती है. So if you see someone trading on 5 crore, you think, अरे यार 5 crore पे trade होगी. If you see someone trading on 50 crore, you think यार यार ये भी possible है. So once you come to office, you will see how trading happens in real time on a multi-crore account. And for that reason only, basically, I have kept this mentorship at office. So I'll explain कैसे होगा. But once you come to office, okay, basically I log in front of you. You can see the PNL going in front of you. You can see the exchange orders, exchange ID. So basically everything that is happening will be transparent, and you will basically set aspirations, because in our office we are trading with a decent size, good multi-crore accounts. So, and so in real time, how risk management happens, markets are swinging both sides. How do you manage? So everything you'll learn what I have been using, and you'll also get to interact with my traders. So this is more practical, okay, where I'm not only just teaching theory, I'm teaching you what I'm actually using, exactly what I'm using, I'll be teaching. Okay, and this is scalable up to whatever amount you can think. So till 100 crore or even beyond that, you can scale up. So I'm just saying this because if you want to set that aspiration that I want a trading desk, I want to scale up, that is possible. But this is not for everyone. I'll be honest, ये सबके लिए नहीं है. So you need to have at least 25 lakhs capital. Okay, that is bare minimum. See why I have kept a capital constraint, because see we only do option selling. So अगर कोई buyer है, option buyer, this is not the place to be. I don't know how to buy options. I am a seller of options. So you will learn how to sell options. Okay, so this is something suitable for someone who's looking to scale up, someone who has already has existing portfolio, उसके ऊपर उसको additional returns बनाना है, or someone wants to become a full-time trader. But you should know option basics. I'm not going to teach you option basics at all. You need to know Greeks, basic Greeks. We don't use much Greeks. Basic option selling क्या होता है, delta, basic idea होना चाहिए. Okay, and we'll be only focusing on option selling. And if you are someone जिसको बहुत ज़्यादा return चाहिए, this is not the right fit for you. But if you are someone who wants consistent month-on-month return, okay, somewhere between 1.5 to 2.5% per month, this is the place to be. See, the markets are kind, you can have better returns. But as a trader, like of what I trade, I am satisfied with consistent monthly return rather than big returns or the volatility in returns. Okay, so you need to have decent sized capital. You should be looking to scale up, or if you already have a portfolio, you can generate additional returns on just that portfolio, on that long term portfolio, mutual fund, whatever it is. Okay, and there is no option buying. So if you are coming thinking that I will teach you option buying, no, I won't be teaching option buying. I have not seen anyone scale up in option buying. Okay, so how will things work? So basically, first 4 sessions at office, okay, you will learn the concepts. If suppose someone is not from Mumbai and still wants to join, the same session at the same time will be live on Zoom also. So few people last time also had joined from Jaipur, Kolkata. So you can also do that. But it's better if you come to office. So first 4 months, we learn concepts. I'll just show you what concepts. After learning the concepts, I have kept 4 live learning experience session at office. In that session, what will happen? You come to office, you see us trading live. Okay, you can do whatever you want to do on that day. But so basically, once you come to office, you set your aspiration is set. You see such big M2Ms, such big capital is being traded. And this I'm doing because in trading, teaching is one thing, but when it comes to real market, okay, most of the traders are not don't have that mindset that okay, trade is in loss, what to do, trade is in profit, what to do, right? So once you come to office, you will understand how we calmly manage our trade throughout the day. It can be any day, market can be going up, can be going down, but we have a proper system. We'll manage. So this is something which you learn. Okay. So I will also talking about real case studies over the last 10 years. I've made ample mistakes. I've learned from them. So I will be discussing that in detail. There'll be task after every session. And after this, see what happens is you learn theory and then when you come to apply, you're not able to apply. So for next 1 year, 52 weeks, we'll connect every Saturday online. In that, what we'll do is entire week, whatever happened. So just to give you an example. So basically we'll have a learning sheet in which basically whatever learnings we'll keep mentioning. But suppose this is a sample trading journey. Okay. So in this, what will happen is suppose on this day we made money, whatever it is, we will write the learning. So on Saturday, we'll discuss Monday, this is how I traded. Tuesday, this is how I traded. Thursday, this is how I traded. This was the mistake. These were the learnings. So if you see it's bad trading, which means this was a bad day. I learned something and next time I'll try to avoid. So this all will happen every Saturday. Imagine this happening for next 52 weeks. So this is how your mindset will be built. This is how you will be able to scale up. So you are not left on your own, but you understand that. So it will be 100% transparent. Whatever I'm doing, you will know कि क्या है मेरा P&L, everything. So this is transparent so that you understand that I'm just not running away by teaching you something. So I'm there, and what if I'm not making money? Okay, so you'll also understand कि हाँ यार ये सिर्फ झूठ बोल रहा है. So that's why I'll be transparent. I'll share everything with you, and every weekend we'll discuss this so that you keep learning. Okay, we'll also analyze all the difficulties. all the difficult days in which options went, एक रुपए का 100 हुआ, 200, 500. So I've made a list of everything. So because see, in selling, the risk management is a key. So I don't want you to teach something and then you don't not able to manage it. So see, option going from 8 to 400. So I have noted, I know how to manage these risks. So we'll discuss that in detail. Okay. So this is all there, plus all the learnings that I have. Okay, all this basically learnings I mentioned. Okay, this entire sheet. So there are a lot of things here I'll share with you. Okay, so that whatever mistakes I have made, you don't make, and you learn from basically whatever. Every weekend we'll analyze something. We have brainstorming session in which we analyze the last week, क्या mistakes थी, क्या गलती थी, and then we put the learnings here. Okay, so how do we ensure practical learning is basically we teach you first theory concepts, then you come to office, basically force any four, like 4 Fridays you can decide, you can coordinate with the team. So suppose there are 10 people in the group, you can come in a batch of 3 or 4 so that you can come, you can also like get able to ask the questions, interact with our traders. So there you will see how trade is managed, everything you learn. So it will be more practical for you. Then 52 brainstorming session every Saturday for next 1 year, mistake sheet, learning sheet, and basically every quarter we can have a one-to-one call where whatever problems you're facing in your trading, you can tell me. Okay. And you have a dedicated one-to-one group where you can ask any questions during any point of the year. But here's the truth. See, you will still have drawdown. So I'll be true to you. It's not that I have a magical wand ki, haan, if you join me, you'll always make money. No, you will still have drawdown. But I will teach you how you can make money with controlled drawdowns. So see, drawdown is a part of trading. Like no one, कोई भी आपको बोले कि मैं drawdown नहीं कर रहा trading में, is clearly lying. But we learn how to manage risk, how to follow systems, and कैसे mindset build किया जाए. See, trading is not just buying and selling. If it was only about buying and selling, every smart person in the world would be doing trading. So we will learn how to build that mindset. वो stomach कैसे build करना है कि यार लाखों का M2M भी हो रहा है तो you are not getting too excited या getting too demotivated. So this we will learn, and this is the main core beauty of this mentorship कि आप जब रहोगे, जब बुरा टाइम आएगा आपको समझ में आएगा कैसे बाउंस बैक किया जाता है. सो आई वोंट लीव यू हैंगिंग कि चलो यार मेरा मैं सिखा के हो गया अब अपने हिसाब से देखो, नहीं. एक साल में शायद से ड्रॉ डाउन आए तो विल बी देयर, कैसे बाउंस बैक किया, कैसे किया, एवरीथिंग विल बी डिस्कस. सो एवरीथिंग विल बी 100% ट्रांसपेरेंट. So you will understand how to navigate volatile markets, how to handle large directional moves, कैसे drawdown से bounce किया जाता है, right? And ये सब करोगे तब भी as a trader you will be able to succeed. See, systems, I will tell you, if you ask me, I will give 10% weightage to strategy, right? Mindset, risk management, psychology, ये are 90%. So I will be working on this. So, and why us? As I told you earlier, also, I've trained the largest trading desk of the country. I regularly come on CNBC. In fact, I interact with a lot of smartest people in finance. So these are people which I've done podcast with. All are like top notch in finance. I've learned from them, and I still keep learning. Okay. So exactly what will be the roadmap? Basically, you learn the sessions. Okay, in office, 4 sessions in office. After those sessions, 4 practical sessions that you coordinate with the team and come in a batch of 3 or 4. Then for next 1 year, 52 weeks, every week we connect on a Saturday, discuss the entire last week, kya learnings, kya mistake, maintain a journal, everything. Okay, and this will actually help you scale up. Okay, because see, good bad times to aane hi wale trading. How do you bounce back? That is important. Okay, and so basically you note your mistakes, learning, and scale up slowly. So exactly what will we learn? So first session will be orientation and some basic trading concepts on intraday price action that we learn. Then next session we learn how to trade weekly expiries for now Nifty, Sensex, कैसे spikes को manage करना है, कैसे adjustment करना है, कैसे risk management करना है. So I showed you example, right? Option 10 का 100 हुआ, 1000 हुआ, कैसे risk को manage करना है. So analysis of all difficult days. So basically you are not just have a system, but also know what to do when times are not good. Then how to trade momentum stocks, that we'll discuss through options, how to write them. Then real life case studies, mistakes, whatever I've done, we'll discuss that in detail. What your daily routine as a trader should be, and how do you build mindset as a trader, and कैसे scale किया जाए, इस पे बहुत focus होगा. So again, this is not for everyone, okay? Because I already have 10 seats and I know like there are ample people who have the right mindset because I need the right mindset people. I don't want someone who's looking कि हाँ मैं जल्दी पैसा कमा लूंगा, option buying करूंगा, futures करूंगा. नहीं, we will be focusing only on option selling and through basically index में option selling and stocks में भी how do we identify trend and write options in them. Options के थ्रू कैसे trend को write किया जाए, तो वो सीखने मिलेगा. So basically strategies which I've been using since last 10, 11 years. रिस्क मैनेजमेंट कैसे किया जाए, मैं आपको सारे एग्जांपल बताऊंगा. आई हैव, मेरे पास स्टॉक्स थे जब स्टॉक्स मेरे अगेंस्ट 30% गैप डाउन हुआ, 30%. सो वो विल डिस्कस कैसे साइकोलॉजी इंप्रूव की जाए. ओके, लाइव एक्सपीरियंस सेशन होगा ऑफिस में. सो यू दैट विल सेट एस्पिरेशन, यू अंडरस्टैंड कैसे होता है एक ट्रेडिंग डेस्क में, कैसे माइंडसेट बिल्ड होता है. लॉस भी हो, प्रॉफिट भी हो, कुछ भी हो सकता है जब आप आओगे, बट यू विल सी आपको हमारे चेहरे पे कुछ नहीं दिखेगा, राइट? And weekly we'll connect, so this will actually transform your journey. जो भी आपकी mistakes है you'll be able to do, and eventually I want you to trade independently. अगर एक साल के बाद आपको मेरी जरूरत नहीं पड़नी चाहिए, आप खुद से independent trade करो. So this is what will happen in the mentorship. So good luck with the call on the team. If you seem fit, then the team will help you with the further process. Thank you for your time.